Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about ML Kit and show the integration steps. If you want to watch the previous videos on ML Kit, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce the handKeyPoint detection service of Huawei ML Kit. The handKeyPoint detection capability can detect 21 handKeyPoints, including fingerprints, knuckles and wrists, and written positions of the key points. HandKeyPoint detection is widely used in daily life. After integrating this capability, users can convert the detected handKeyPoints into a 2D model and synchronize the model to the character model to produce a vivid 2D animation. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website, go to console AppGallery Connect and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to next screen. Select Manually, enter the package name and save. Set the default data processing location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application, then download agconnect-services.json file. Add agconnect-services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in AppGallery. Open project level build.gradle file, add the Maven repositories under build scripts and all projects section. Also, add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file, add the latest version of ML Kit handKeyPoint detection libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permissions. Create a layout for live detection. Add lens engine preview and extend a class from view group. Create a layout for static detection, add buttons and image view. Open the navigate activity, set the click listeners, request for permissions. Open the live hand analyze activity. Create ML handKeyPoint analyzer setting object and set the attribute. Get the ML handKeyPoint analyzer object, set the transactor. Create a lens engine object and set the parameters. Start the preview screen. In ML transactor, get the result in the callback. Get the handKeyPoints and add it to a list. Use the graphics package and draw circles on every points. Open the static hand analyze activity, set the click listeners. Create ML handKeyPoint analyzer setting object and set the attribute. Get the ML handKeyPoint analyzer object. Create an intent to pick image from gallery. Set it to image view. Get the bitmap. Get the ML frame object from bitmap. Call async analyze frame. On success callback, get the handKeyPoints and draw circles on each point using graphics package. Now, the coding is completed.
Let's try how to do that. Open newly installed app, tap on static detection, it will take you to the screen to detect static image. Tap on pick image, it will take you to pick an image from gallery. Once you select, the image will be set. Tap on analyze, it will analyze the image and show the detected handKeyPoints on the image. Tap on live detection. It will take you to the screen to detect from a live camera stream and show the handKeyPoints on it. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below. or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.